What's going on, guys? So I've had the welds on Facebook for about a week now, and I still haven't gotten any good cash or trade offers, so I guess screw it. We're going to put them on Big Betty. One last video with the welds, the very last vehicle for them to go on. They've been on everything else. Betty is so dirty. Oh my gosh. I'm going to go take this thing for a spin, dust the cobwebs off, but first, cold start. Daggone, Betty, you're looking good. I ain't even gonna lie, this is probably one of the most disappointing videos I think I've ever made. It doesn't even deserve B-roll. I'm just gonna show y'all. Betty on the welds. Two of them. Oh my gosh, I have so many different spacers tossed around everywhere. So I had two 2-inch spacers on the rear here, right? And then I got two on Larry out there. So then I only have the 1.5 inch, which won't clear the studs. And then I've got the 1/4 inch on the Ford. So only able to put two on, just to, you know, make the video for those that did comment saying they wanted to see these on the Tahoe. Short and sweet video. Here it is. I think it looks terrible. Just straight up. I do not like it at all whatsoever. Yeah. Man, I don't even know if I'm going to make this video. I guess I will. I'll just throw it up as a short video, maybe on Sunday. Maybe put it in just an extra slot I don't typically post on. Because like I said, there was a decent amount of people that commented saying they wanted to see them on there. So before I inevitably trade them off or sell them, give y'all a little bit of a look. They fat. 2-inch spacers front and rear. 12 wides. Fat boys. Big old lip. So, yeah, there it is. Anyways, sorry to disappoint. It's kind of a crud video, but I guess it is what it is. So, y'all comment down below. Let me know. I'll see y'all in the next one.